Discover the epitome of student living at E109th Street, number 377, in the heart of New York, where vibrant city life meets comfort and convenience. New York, often referred to as the Big Apple, stands as a global icon, boasting 5 boroughs and serving as a hub for culture, finance, media, and fashion. Amidst this dynamic city, E109th Street, number 377, welcomes students to a haven of well-furnished shared apartments, each adorned with a cozy bed, dedicated study area, ample closet space, and a smart TV for endless entertainment. Beyond the 4 walls, E109th Street, number 377 pampers its residents with services like free high-speed Wi-Fi, well-equipped communal kitchen, weekly housekeeping, and covered utilities, ensuring that your stay is as smooth as a New York minute. Nestled in the lively Hell's Kitchen neighborhood, this student abode places you at a mere 15-minute drive from esteemed institutions like the City University of New York and Columbia University. Weekends unfold effortlessly with access to iconic destinations like Central Park and the enchanting Shakespeare Garden. For vibrant evenings, consider a sojourn to Ale House or savor mouth-watering dinners at local culinary gems like La Cocina de Mama or Amor Cubano. And convenient public transit options like the Lexington Ave E110 bus stop and 110th Street subway station make navigating the city a breeze. Don't miss out on this vibrant student housing experience in Hell's Kitchen. Book your stay at E109th Street, number 377 student accommodation today via amberstudent.com.